चलिए फ्रेंड्स, आइए अब देखते हैं हिस्ट्री के कुछ और रिनाउंड साइंटिस्ट को जिनका फार्माकोलॉजी के डेवलपमेंट में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन है। ओसवाल्ड श्मिडवर्ग, he is known as the father of pharmacology. Colonel Ramnath Chopra, he is known as the father of Indian pharmacology. Raymond Perry Alquist, he has contributed in the classification of adrenergic receptors into alpha and beta types. Frederick Banting and Charles Best, he discovered insulin in 1921. Frederick Sanger, he worked out chemical structure of insulin in 1956. John S. Lundy, he coined the term balanced anesthesia. Horace Wells, he used nitrous oxide gas that is also known as the laughing gas in 1844 for dental anesthesia. Friedrich Sertuner, he isolated active principle of opium and named it morphine after Greek god of dreams Morpheus. Vaughan Williams and Brahma N. Singh, he is known for the classification of anti-arrhythmic drugs. Alexander Fleming, he discovered penicillin. Selman Volksman, he discovered streptomycin.